How's it going, Professor? This is my histogram graph. So first off, I put all the data on the side, so I wouldn't have to look back and forth to the table. So I put everything in order. Then I used the ruler to shape off the table to be as straight as possible. I then ended up separating the heights just by the numbers that were listed on the table, which means 53 to 70 to 76. I then list the frequencies 1 to 6 because the highest frequency would be 62 with 6. So I added 6 as my max. And then after that, I then went each step by step with the numbers. So I went from 53, which was 1, added it there. Then you have 59, which was also 1. Then we have 61, which was 2. We have 62, that was the biggest, being 6. Then we have 63, which was also 1. Then we have 65 as 1 as well. What I did for 66 and 66.5, I just did it as in 1, meaning so I did 1 for it. What I should have done is put it together and make it as 2. But instead I just made it as 1. Then I went on from 68 to 72, which was all 3. And then 72, second biggest, which was 3. I decided that this histogram is shaped like a bell-shaped just because the graph isn't it's not skewed left or it's not skewed right. To me, it looks straight as possible, but I decided to go with the bell-shaped. I think that fits the graph the most. I did the lower class, which would be, I will assume would be 52 or 53. For the width, I did unknown because, like I said before, I only did the numbers that were listed on the table. I didn't do a specific, I didn't do it by 5s or 10s because I feel like that would have been a little bit harder. I then put the headings or the titles on my graph. So the pink side is the frequency, the blue line is the heights in inches, and then we have the title of the graph, which I did heights of students in a high school class. And yeah, that is my graph. Thank you.